Welcome everyone to day 2 of this breathing practices series. Today we'll be learning Nadi Shodhna or cleansing breath. So you may sit on your block or on the cushion or pillow. Raise your back up, straighten it, bringing your head, your neck and your entire spine in one straight line. So first we'll correct our posture. To start with that, place your palms on your knees. We'll be doing seated cat-cow. Bring your chin to touch your chest. Raise your shoulders up. Now relax your shoulders, moving them away from your ears and look up. Arch your back forward. Exhale, bringing chin to chest, arching back towards the wall. Now, sync it with breathing. Inhale and look up. Exhale, bringing chin to chest. One or two times more. Arch forward, look up. Inhale, feel the stretch in your neck. Slowly exhale, bringing chin to chest, arching your back towards wall. Grip your knees to make the movement easy. Now relax, bringing chin parallel to the floor. Now let's move on to the easy side neck stretches. Place your right fingertips on the mat and tilt your head towards left, feeling the stretch on the entire right side. Move your hand a little away, walk your fingertips towards right, deepen the stretch. Bringing neck back to the center, repeating on the other side. Left fingertips on the mat, tilting head towards right. Walk your fingertips a little more away on the left side. Bringing head back to the center. Now join your palms behind you. Roll your shoulders towards back. And elongate your arms, stretching towards back. Your shoulder blades joining behind you. As if your shoulder blades are touching each other. Feel the compression in your upper back. And look forward. Breathe normally as you do this stretch. And relax. Place your palms on your knees. Straighten your back. Now bring your crown, your neck and your back in one line. Observe your breath. Let's do deep breathing 3 times before we move on to Nadi Shodhna. So inhale deeply to expand your stomach. Then exhale slowly and steadily, contracting your stomach. Place your right hand on the stomach if needed, feeling the expansion and contraction. Next round. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once more. Inhale, bulge your stomach out slowly and steadily. Feel the air passing through your nose, windpipe, all the way to the lower lobes of your lungs. Then exhaling completely, air leaving your nostrils while exhalation. So let's start with Nadi Shodhna or cleansing breath. Keep your left hand in Gyan Mudra, or you may just keep the palms open facing the roof. With your right hand, form the Nasika Mudra, closing the first 2 fingers, keeping the little finger, ring finger and thumb open. If you find this difficult, you may just do the practice with thumb and index finger. So I'll be doing it with the Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril. Inhale and exhale from your left nostril 5 times. Inhale deeply from the left, keeping right nostril closed. Then exhale from the left itself. While doing the practice, be slow and steady. Do not rush. Make the inhalations and exhalations deeper and longer without putting much pressure. So inhale deeply. Exhale completely from the left nostril itself. Total 5 counts with your right nostril closed. Once you are done, we'll repeat the practice with our left nostril closed, inhaling and exhaling from the right nostril. So close your left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale deeply from the right nostril and exhale from the same. Four more rounds. Be slow. Do not rush. Remember that we should do equal rounds from each nostril. Otherwise, it will create imbalance. If you have done 5 or 6 rounds or 7 rounds from the left nostril, do the same from the right. Keep the count in your mind active while doing the practice, and back straight. Inhale deeply with your left nostril closed and exhale from the same nostril from which you are breathing. Once you are done, just relax your hands. Let's take 3 to 4 normal breaths. Observe the changes and the relaxation these breaths bring to our body and mind. Let's do one more round from both the nostrils, 5 inhalations and exhalations from each of them. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale and exhale 5 times from the left nostril. This time, if you want, you can maintain a counter as well in your mind. Count while you inhale, count while you exhale. Inhalation and exhalation might or might not be equal. Do not force yourself. With practice, they do become equal, or they come in a ratio. If I should be correct, it's not necessary that our inhalation and exhalation is in 1:1 ratio. It could be in different ratio. Even 1:2 is a good ratio. So you will have exhalation longer than inhalation. Inhale from left and exhale from left. Once you're done, switch, closing your left nostril with index finger. Inhale and exhale from right 5 times. If you feel that counting is creating tension, then avoid it. Our focus should be that the practice should be meditative and easy. Once you are done, you may relax your hands, feeling the changes this practice has brought. You may sit in the meditative posture itself for next 2 minutes. Observing the normal breath. If you feel tired, you may lie down in Savasana for 2 minutes and relax yourself completely. Thank you for joining me in this breathing practices series, day 2. I'll meet you in the next session with a new practice.